Good morning to you on this foggy last day of February. Can you believe it's last day of February? Wow. But yeah, look at it. Bit of a pea super going on out here at the minute, here in Blackpool. What's the weather like where you are? Oh, it's cold as well. It's like 0 degrees. I started the car up and there was a little bit of ice on the windscreen. So it had been frozen at some point. But thankfully it's now 0, so it just melted off enough for me to start her up without a load of hassle. We're just bobbing onto Central Drive. This is the sort of nice end at the moment. I know you've not seen me for a while, and many of you know the reasons for that. It's all down to my health and other issues. As you all know, I will bob on as and when I can do. So yeah, I hope you're well. And I hope you just enjoyed this very short drive. Well, I think it'll be short. Let's put it that way. We'll see. I'm just going to go have a look at the demolition of the courts. I know a lot of vloggers have been covering it and I haven't yet, and that's okay. I will get around to it. It's not like it's all going to be over in a week anyway, so it's fine. Next bit of Central Drive is the not so great bit, as we call it. So it starts getting a bit iffy here. A couple of nice houses and some not so nice. And as we join onto this bit, it just becomes the bit everybody calls bad names, really. Saying that, I've never had any trouble on here. I've been out at night walking around with cameras. I've never been given any problems. My daughter was mugged at a bus stop once on Central Drive in broad daylight. So yeah, but personally, you know, my experiences, I've never had any problems. You know, let me know if you've been on Central Drive and how it makes you feel, especially at night. Hardly see the tower there in the fog. Let's turn down onto Chapel Street. They are working. Nice little chunk gone out of it. Let's go have a look, shall we? See if we can stop this car somewhere. I'll have to go. Try that. I'll have to go behind it, I'm not sure, but I think if we just push onto the end there, like that, and pop there, I think we can get on there for a moment. Right, I'm just going to do a little bit of filming at the courthouses. Up there is the brand new shiny car park. And as you all know, this is Chapel Street Courthouse and car park. And obviously they've not started on the police station yet, they've started on this side first. So let's just take a little moochie around here. That's the first time I've had time to pop down, actually. So they're not doing so bad, are they, since they started? Don't you see, I got all excited then. They went up to the higher bit and I thought a nice chunk was going to come down. But then they started having a clear up again. I was like, oh, hang on, here he goes again. Let's see if we can get a bit of something before I go. Oh, that's a nice sound. He's having this corner, isn't he? Let's see if we can just stick with it for 5 minutes. Get you something. Let's get the video running over there while I try to take some pictures. No, it's gone back to cleaning up again. I bet when I come back later, if I get a chance to, I bet that corner's gone and I'll have missed the beggar. But there's plenty of this building to go. This is a big, big, big site. And I will guarantee you that every YouTuber in Blackpool and many, many beyond will get some epic footage. So you're not going to be short of things to watch. You're really not.
What did I just say about I'll probably miss it? But no, there it goes. Amazing. Wow. We got it, guys. That was so cool. Right, and anyway, on that note, I am now going to have to go. I have things to do, places to go, people to see and all that jazz. So I'll love you and leave you, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye for now. Bye.